up to space. Flies like a helicopter. Open this! The slingshot like this. Shoot it upwards. And then... Learning is fun with Surya, and today I got these rocket copters. They're fun and they can launch up to 120 feet. I think they're gonna go up to space, and they launch just like a rocket. It flies like a helicopter. Okay? These are soaring red helicopters. So let's open this. Let's see what he gets. Oh, he gets 6 rockets. Cool. And then he gave these launchers. We have the user's manual. So, the launching instructions are full top and center of wing along. We gave 3 launchers and 6 rockets. Okay, let's see the user's manual. So guys, if you press this button, the lights will on. See these fold here markings? You have to fold them. But before we need some little help from our moms and dads because I can't fold this exactly. So I'm gonna ask my mom for help. We have to fold it outwards, like this. This is what it looks like after folding. Okay? First, you have to put the thumb finger here, hold the slingshot like this, and then you hold the rocket like this, and then grab it with the hook. Like that. And then, don't make sure to launch it in the correct way. Okay, and then put it up. Shoot it upwards. And then down! Whoa! Okay. Oh man! It went right! Like higher than me. Guys, next time I will do this at night and we will see how it glows and goes up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Guys, we're on our way to try the rocket copters at night time. Okay, let's go! Rocket copter out. Let's turn the LED lights on. Now, let's put the rocket. Let's shoot it in the sky. Whoa, that this way. Oh, we tried. Wow. For the last one. Okay. First, I will get this one. And then Yay! That means it was so cool shooting these. Now let's turn the lights off so they don't get destroyed. Guys, let's get into the review! Guys, this is a great outdoor toy that you can play outside in the summer. So, I recommend this toy because it's only $10 in Walmart. Guys, this looks lots better at nighttime because the LED lights look so bright. But if the LED lights, if you leave it on for a long time, it'll happen like this. And see how bright this is and how bright this is not. So that's the difference of these two. If the LED light doesn't work, then it'll be hard to find the rocket copters at night. Guys, I would not recommend this toy for ages less than 8. Like, see, it says ages 8 and plus here. So that's what I said. And this elastic band may hurt you because it's super stretchy, and this tip may also hurt you here. So those are warnings that you may need to ask your adult for a little bit help. If small kids want to try this, they must be under the supervision of a grown-up. Guys, if you like this review, please hit the thumbs button. Even if you don't like it, please hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye, guys! Please support my other videos too.